Hey guys, it's Jen at Embellish. Exciting news. I am launching a new retail range at the salon. It is called Xaya and it is an Australian made, Australian owned product, vegan, cruelty free, and it is 3 different concentrates here. So we have SP Lift, which is about firming and tightening the skin and also acts as a muscle relaxant. We then have ceramides, which is about barrier repair, intensive moisturization and internal healing on the skin. And then we've got the Gold C. Now the Gold C is about UV protection, blue light protection and collagen boost for the skin. So when we are working with a concentrate, what is a concentrate? A concentrate is a low ingredient liquid to put on the skin. So instead of a serum, which is a larger molecule with complex ingredient listings, each of these concentrates only has about 6 ingredients in it, all plant-based or vegan. But when you put a concentrate on, it's the first product to go into the skin because the molecule is so fine, it's going to penetrate and get deep into the skin. So I've been using them for less than a week and I've noticed a huge difference, particularly on my décolletage area. So being in business for 16 years, being a beauty therapist for 18 years, I've taken really good care of the skin on my face, but on the body, it's not always the focal point. And I was a bit naughty this year. I got too much sun and I saw pigment come up, I saw redness come up, I saw discoloration and even a few raised sunspots come up. In less than a week using these 3 concentrates morning and night, I've seen the skin restore. It's got a fuller texture to it again, a softer surface, but the pigment has already begun to fade. The skin's gotten tighter and it's got that really healthy, glowy pink hue to it again in less than a week. So launching these products in the salon, they are concentrates. There's 3 of them. I've got a birthday giveaway coming up and I can't wait for you guys to learn all about it.